Selling high-ticket courses, even a few big payments can make your processor nervous. And suddenly, your payouts are on pause right when momentum's building. Here's a quick way to spot when your account might attract unwanted attention. Log your average transaction size and total monthly volume in a simple sheet. If you notice sudden jumps like a big launch month, that's when processors tend to flag accounts. Tracking this helps you understand risk patterns, but it can't prevent payout freezes when volume surges too quickly. That's where Easy Pay Direct comes in. The transaction routing automatically splits payments across multiple accounts, keeping your cash flow steady even if one is under review. Plus, with decline recovery, you will capture more successful transactions and protect your high ticket revenue. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With transaction routing and decline recovery working together, your course income keeps flowing smoothly. No interruptions. If sudden freezes have ever slowed down your launches, EasyPay Direct makes it simple to keep every payout stable and secure. Use the link in the description to get started today.